Welcome to sukri.learnings. If you are new to Amazon Honeycode, please watch my earlier video, How to Build Mobile and Web Application Using Amazon Honeycode. In this video, you are about to learn how to create an application from the scratch using Amazon Honeycode. Let us take a real-time scenario, online attendance. Log in to Honeycode. On homepage, click on Create Workbooks and click on Start from Scratch. By default, workbook will be created with 3 empty columns. Let us define the columns for report attendance table. The columns are ID, employee name, department, date, check-in, check-out remarks. Create a drop-down list for name and department columns. To create a drop-down list, click on Wizards. Navigate to Data Modeling and click on Create Pick Lists. Choose Table 1 and Department column. You can import your existing master data or create a new table. Let us choose Create a New Table and click on Apply. Click on Add New to create a drop-down for employee name. Choose Table 1 and the name column. Click on Apply. Click on Go to save the changes. The drop-down list for department and name are created. Now apply date format to date column. Select date column and click on the format. By default, column format is auto. Change to date and choose DDME format. In formula, enter now function to store current date value in the date column. Click on Apply. Now apply time format for check-in column. Choose check-in column, and click on Format, choose time and click on Apply. Repeat the same steps for checkout column. Now apply formula equals row -1 to store unique value for ID column. Remove empty rows. Attendance table columns are defined. Rename the table names to attendance, department, and employee. Rename the application name to Smart Attendance. Now enter master data for department and employee tables. Go to department table and enter department details. Go to employee table and enter employee details. Now create an entry in the attendance table. Now workbook is ready to maintain employee attendance. Let us create an application to register attendance. Navigate to Builder and click on Add and select on Build Your Own. By default, empty screen is created. Go to Screen Label and change to Report Attendance. Click on Add Objects. Click on Form Object and choose Form in current screen. Choose the attendance table. Remove ID, date as values are getting through formula. Click on Create. Now rename app name to Report Attendance. Create another screen to show a confirmation message. Rename screen name to Attendance Confirmation. Add a content box to display a confirmation message to the user. Go to Global Navigation. Click on Attendance Confirmation. Move Attendance Confirmation screen to hide from navigation. Now go to Report Attendance and click on Done button. In Properties section, go to Action and click on Edit Automation. Click on Navigate to the previous screen and choose Screen 1. Now rename the Cancel button to Reset and go to Action and choose the screen. Report Attendance screen is completed. Let us test it by clicking on View App. Report Attendance screen is loaded. Enter input values and click on Done. It will save values to the attendance table and redirect to the confirmation screen. Now create another application to see reports by manager. Navigate to Builder and click on Add and click on Build Your Own. Default screen is created. Change the screen name to Attendance Reports. Click on Add Object and choose Column List to show the values. Choose the attendance table and all columns. Choose Allow users to filter list for date and department. Click on Create. View Report screen is created. Now rename the app name to Attendance Report Manager. Let us test it by clicking on View App. The screen will show the details of the attendance table. Here you are successfully created an application from scratch. Thank you for watching.